Chapter number 37, ngizofunda ivesi elilodwa, but nginamavesi amaningi that I want to go through engifuna ukuwabuka nje namhlanje as sikhuluma. This is a chat esizoba nayo, inkulumo nje esizoba nayo, but sizofunda nje u37, ngicela sifunde uverse 3. Uverse 3 uzoba ipoint yami yokuqala. That's my first point. I've got a few points, but ngizosigcina isikhathi. Point yami yokuqala ngizofunda lelo vesi, then amanye ke I will highlight mubhala ngiyacela ungibhalele. It would be of good help to you. Amen. Genesis 37 verse number 3 ngifunda i-King James version. Ifundeka kanje. Now Israel loved Joseph more than all his children because he was the son of his old age, and he made him a coat of many colors. Asithandaze baba izwi lakho khuluma ngalo ngoJesu Kristu inkosi. Amen. Ngicela nje ukubuka mhlambe isubject yami ezothi a people factor. Ukuphila nje empilweni kunezinto esiyibiza ngama factor, but there's a God factor. So mesikhuluma about a God factor, nombani ophilayo kufanele abe nayo uNkulunkulu. Into okwazi ukuthi uyibalekeleyo. That is why uthola abantu ukuthi as African kunomsamo, it's a God factor. As a Muslim there is Allah, it's a God factor. My Hindus akekho umuntu ongenayo into a sort of uNkulunkulu. But ke thina we have the one true God. So usho ukuthi akekho umuntu ophilayo ascribe to any God. It's a God factor. Number 2, umuphile emhlabeni, there is money factor. Ukusho ukuthi akekho umuntu ophile emhlabeni ongayidinga imali ngoba izinto zasemhlabeni zidilwa ngazo ngemali. So izinto efanele noma singakholwa kanjani, noma singasindiswa kangakanani, noma singathandaza kangakanani, awukwazi ukuyibalekela imali because it is a factor of life oyidingayo ukuze ukwazi ukuphila impilo comfortable. Bese number 3 ile ngifuna ukukhuluma ngayo namhlanje, which is a people factor. And in people factor ile nto eguarantee ukuthi as long as emhlabeni you will encounter abantu, and the more encounter abantu ufanele ukwazi umanage your relationships, ufanele ukwazi to discern abantu, and ufanele ukwazi ukusebenzisana nabantu. So into ye people factor is a very important thing ngoba nokusebenza kaNkulunkulu, uNkulunkulu akekho ezulwini ezemhlabeni, but uNkulunkulu uma ezokwenza ushintsho noma ezoletha impact empilweni yomuntu uletha abantu. Uma ufunda incwadi, I think it's Exodus, uyathola uNkulunkulu uma ezokhipha uIsrael eEgypt, uthi ngikuzwile ukukhala kwenu ngehlile. Usho njalo uthi ngikuzwile ukukhala kwenu ngehlile, kodwa mebephenduka bamboni yena babona uMose, kodwa uthi ngehlile ngoba noma ngehlile kuze ngimkhulule angimkhululi mina, ngilethe umuntu engehlele kuye okuyena ozomkhulula. So kubalekile ukuthi we are very sensitive and very discerning bekuza kubantu ngoba kunabantu uNkulunkulu azobaletha empilweni zethu abasala kuma categories amabili. Abanye they are called ama-assets, abantu who are useful, abantu akwazi ukusiza ukuthi usuke from this point uye kule point elandelayo empilweni yakho. And the second group of people abazofika empilweni yakho ilabantu esibabiza ngama-liabilities abazokukhosta nje empilweni. And if ungakwazi ukuhlukanisa between an asset and a liability, uzokwazi ukuthi ugcine udry endaweni eyodwa isikhathi eside ngoba you are not discerning bekuza kubantu. So kubalekile bazalwane ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi sibe very discerning and observant ukuthi sikwazi ukubona ukuthi obani abama-asset, obani abama-liabilities. But uNkulunkulu esimkhonzayo, and as you know according to Romans 8:28 lithi kusebenzelana kube ngokuhle kwabamthandayo nababiziwe ngecebo lakhe. Okusho ukuthi noma kukhona ama-assets and liabilities, uNkulunkulu unayo ability yokusebenzisa nama-liabilities ukuthi akuyise towards your purpose and your destiny. Kodwa it is important ukuthi singafinyeleli la sifuna uNkulunkulu ukuthi ashintshe izinto ngoba thina sifailile to be discerning, sifailile to manage people, and sifailile how to manage our relationship. Kunezinto efanele kade sayithola sazikhulekela kanti sihluleke ukuphatha abantu uNkulunkulu abebalethile futhi babe isibusiso empilweni zethu lezi zinto esiyikhulekela singayikhulekeli bagcine bona besinikile noma besivulele leminyango esidinga ukuthi ivuleke but thina we fail to discern, we fail to manage, we fail to appreciate. So kufanele sibe nayo abantu babalekile in life. So I want to deal with our assets and bottoms of human liabilities, but abantu laba obadingayo. But not only abantu obadingayo, abantu laba nawe kufanele usebenze and strive to be one of them. Ukuthi mesibuka wena ngikwazi ukuthi mengikhuluma ngayo ukuthi this person is an asset ngenxa yezinto nama characteristics awavezayo. So it's important ukuthi ukuze sikwazi to move from where we are to where we need to be, sikwazi ukumanage abantu. Amen. So ntweni ngicela ngimtshele umakhelwane ukuthi asiqale with the assets. So last funde khona sifunde the first asset engicela sibuke is those that love you. Ilaba abakuthandayo. Ilaba uyabadinga abantu empilweni abathanda wena. Lithi iBhayibheli uIsrael loved uJoseph and umemthanda wamthanda waze wamenzela a coat of many colors. Now nathi lengicela uyibambe ayikho into uJoseph ayiseyenzile, ayikho into uJoseph ayiseyiachievile, alikho italent laselivelile kuJoseph, but uJakobe wathanda uJoseph. Yilabo abantu who genuinely love you for you. Engekho lutho abayiexpecte kuwe, engekho lutho abayilindele kuwe, akusho lutho ukuthi uzofambula kanjani empilweni, akusho lutho bakakanani ama-mistake ozokwenza empilweni, kodwa nje labo bantu abantu abazokuthanda. Now remember ukuthi umuntu uyakuthanda kusho umuntu uyakhondona, abantu abazokwazi ukuthi noma ungabheda ngizoma nawe ngigceme, kodwa mase sibuyele ekhoneni lethu bese ngiyatshela cha uyabheda lungisa indlela ophila ngayo, but they love you for you. Bathi bonke abantu sebekujikele sebekushiyile, kodwa lowo muntu nje athi mina ngizolokhe ngimnawe because I love you and I know ukuthi uNkulunkulu khona into ayibekile and I know khona uNkulunkulu into ayinvestile kuwe. So you need abantu who just love you for you. Owazi kahle ukuthi noma yini engenzeka empilweni yami kodwa I have that person who is always got my back. It is unfortunate ukuthi siphila in a time la khona umukwazi ukusho lokho in most cases umuntu okwazi ukusho ukuthi nginomuntu ongithanda umuntu onoma, because abantu who have the ability yokuthi they will love you through anything, they will love you through it all. But njengabazalwane sibizelwe ukuthi sibathande abantu. Yikho lithi iBhayibheli you must love and pray for your enemy. uNkulunkulu nje uthi uma ke wasindiswa usuke wafakwa waba yi-candidate yokuthi you will love the unlovable. Wena ubizelwe ukuthanda abantu, so kubalekile ukuthi uwathole abantu abazothanda wena, bathande nje wena without expecting anything, without waiting to receive anything. Owazi kahle ngiyabona ngithandiwe and ngithandwe nje njengoba nginjani, but noma bengithande njengoba nginjani, but they will make sure ukuthi they are working and striving ukuthi ngiba the better version of myself. Abantu abathanda wena, so yamthiba umuntu othanda wena, othanda nje wena nje athande wena nje, athande unconditionally, athande. And the Bible love covers a multitude of sin. It's not because we condone sin, kodwa ukuthi ngikwazi ukusiza ukuthi ungafeli leso sono because I love you too much ukuhlale lapho. You need those who just love you. The same verse number 2, lithi wamthanda wathi semthandile wase emenzela a coat of many colors. Number 2, you need those who will cover you. Nabadinga abantu abazokukhava empilweni. Owazi kahle nekukhona yena uzokukhava, ayikho into ezokwenzeka as long as ekhona, they will always be able to cover you. Kunabantu okhama into contact nabo noma ohlala nabo noma ubebiza abangani bakho ekuyibona abakudayisayo empilweni, but abakwazi ukukhava. Yabona abantu abakhavayo, abantu abathi bekufika umuntu ethi uyaqala nje bathi ngwabazaba abanye, hayi mina awukwazi ukuhleba lo, wena kuyiqiniso noma khona kuyiqiniso lokho kusho, kodwa awukwazi uzokhuluma ngaye kumina ngoba I cover that person. Ukukhava umuntu is not to say you condone, but ukhava umuntu ubona ukuthi there is something inkosi investile kuye efanele umprotect until akhule enough azamngene kulento uNkulunkulu ambize kuyona, aze baze abe comfortable with being who God called them to be. Uyabadinga abantu abazokhava empilweni. Ungahambi nje ungazi nakho umuntu okhavile nje like yonke into yakhe ihamba kahle but you have no one covering you. Uyabadinga abantu abazokhava ngomthandazo. Wazi mina abantu they are truly dedicated to praying for your life. Ungahambi nje mnandi uthi wena akho umuntu nje wazi ukuthi uyamkhava ongafonela ngiyacela please cover me in prayer. Lithi iBhayibheli uNkulunkulu masefikile kuMaria wathi blessed are you, they are highly favored. Uzothola umntwana wagijima waya kuElizabeth because she had someone that covered her. Umuntu akwazi ukukhuluma naye athi understand kwenzakalani empilweni yakhe, but because they cover each other kube nento athi ubefika uMaria kuElizabeth kube khona into ephumayo kuElizabeth ngoba uJohn besekade ethule for 6 months kodwa because usehlangene nomuntu who covers them lento ngaphakathi kuyena comes back to life. Abantu abakhavayo akubona abantu abavumelana nokuthi uphile empilweni engekho right, kodwa abantu abakhavayo abantu bathi umntwana masebebona engathi ufile ngaphakathi kuwe kodwa bewuhlangane nabo kube khona into egqubayo ngaphakathi kuwe and you come back to life again and worship God again and honor God. Uyabadinga abantu abazokhava asihambi nje bafowethu singakhaviwe. I might lead the word empowerment church, I might lead Mthonjeni kodwa kukhona uMemzulu kukhona uProphetess Mkhathe abantu who cover my life. Nakhona izinto empilweni mase ngishaya ngigijimela kuyibona ngithi ngiyazi uNkulunkulu khona kodwa lena ngiyadinga nje kube khona umuntu ozokhuluma empilweni yami athi you can still make it, athi you can still be lokhu uNkulunkulu uyabadinga abantu abakhavayo. You need to be covered. Ungahambi nje uncovered. But you have a thing about you who will cover you. Number 3, verse number 6 and 37. No, Genesis 37, verse number 6. Which he said to them, listen to the stream I had. Number 3, we have a thing about ukulalela. We all have a need to be listened to. Umuntu no umuntu unaso isidingo. So uthi ulalela. Thina ngizokutshela nje ngabazali ukuthi ingane zethu is very fear. Umuntu kube ngathi ufaka itape abela qale waya alokho ekhulumile kungabi khona full stop because they have a need to be listened to. And in challenge ukuthi if we don't listen to our children kunabantu abazobalalela kodwa babalalele bengabalalele bengenawo ama intentions are right. Ngoba kubalekile noma uthola abantu abazokulalela thola the right people. Yikho umthembe enkala ngathi kufanele sibe discerning how to manage people ngoba kuyena wonke umuntu okulalelayo kufanele akulalele. uJoseph umekhuluma he had a need to be listened to kodwa wakhuluma abantu abarong wakhuluma yena kabathi abafowabo bayafuna ukumlalela kanti ukukhuluma kwakhe kubenza bamzonde ukwenza ukuthi babe jealous. So you must be careful ukuthi noma unesidingo sokukhuluma awukhulumi noma ubani. Must know who to speak to. Fanele wazi ukuthi Nkosi reveal. Ngimbulethi when I need to speak, who do I speak to? Ngoba uma unesidingo sokukhuluma, you must know this ukuthi mawungakhulumi that affects you. Ukungakhulumi leads ukuthi uzogcina uyidestroy impilo. But inkinga futhi awukwazi ukukhuluma nanombani. You must find the right people to speak to. Ngoba kunabantu ozokhuluma kubona bakhondone into wrong oyikhulumayo efana bebatshela lo oyikhulumayo noma ngabe uzizwa kanjani yikhiphe kodwa leyo nkulumo akufanele kube inkulumo ephuma kuwe. Awumuntu akakhulumi kanjani uyadinga ukhulekelwe uyadinga na uya kwitherapy. Simase sikhulelelile nje hambe yoshama session noma u5 with the therapist ufike ulale sofa and speak. We all have a need to be listened to. So Joseph unesidingo sokuthi uNkulunkulu khona into ayibeke kuwe ufuna ukuyikhuluma kodwa akadisele ukuthi ngiyikhuluma kubantu aba-right yini. We all need to speak. Iy'ngane zethu bafowethu namhlanje they have been hurt ngoba sibalalelanga. Balalelwa abafana with no intentions now because they had a need to be listened to. Well, one of the greatest issues right now, one of the greatest pains right now, the male figure is not present. an example of that ukangazi mazi ubaba okusho ukuthi when a girl child idinga ukulalela ubaba kekho so uma kubengekho a male figure ezokhamuka noma ama-intentions engekho right hayi ngoba efuna ukulalela umuntu wesilisa ufuna ukulalela ubaba kulowo muntu wesilisa iy'ngane zethu zigcine zi-manipulated because there were no fathers to listen to them. So we have a need to be listened to. So I beg of you and I pray, when you have a need to pray, call your mama mfundisi. When you have a need to be listened to, call us as mfundisi. Call our mama elders. Asebade ungathuli uzukhulume nabantu abarong abangeke bakulalele for your benefit kodwa bazokulalela for your demise. We all need someone who listen to ngingayipusha kancane lento yokukhuluma yesidingo sokulalela uNkulunkulu ubeke uAdam ensimini yase-Eden membeka umtshela yonke into athi basemtshela yonke into nokuthi yonke into kufanele ayikhulume bese evele ezoshiya uEva emva kwalokho uEva ngazi mhlambe ngabantu besifazane bangitshela I think uEva yena wa-introduce lokukhuluma nje uEva yokukhuluma so uEva umekhuluma no Adam akamlaleli and uvele kube khona isilwane which is very cunning esibona ukuthi uyakhuluma nosisi ensimini kodwa lo muntu okufanele amlalele akamlaleli bese yafika inyonga ithi ushilo yini. The issue is not into eyenzeka eyawisa umuntu. The issue ukuthi kukhona umuntu ongayidlalanga indima yakhe ukuthi alalele uEva waze wakwazi ukuba ne-conversation nenyonga. Ngoba if we don't have abantu who listen to us, sizoba nama-conversation nenyonga. Uzokhuluma nomuntu ukuthi ukulalele kanti ukhuluma nenyonga. Because the right people who should be listening to you are not listening to you. So angazi ukuthi angisoze ngamblame uEva, ngiblame uAdam who was not there to listen. Because when the right people don't listen, abantu bagcina beyithole bese yintweni engafanele babe bakusona. Verse number 10, Genesis 37. It's a good mark out marking. Ngiyacela ibambe elandelayo. Uthi anything, when he told his father and his brothers, his father rebuked him. We have a thing about correct. You need people who will rebuke you. We have a thing about jail. The greatest issue in this day and age sinabantu abagijileki. Umuntu uhamba ngendlela yakhe, wenza ngendlela yakhe, ngendlela athanda ngayo. Sinenkinga emizini zethu. Ingane zethu zenza ongathanda wazo. Sinenkinga emasontweni benza abathanda wazo. Sinenkinga ema-community. Wonke umuntu wenza into ayenza akafuni ukukhuzwa. Umuntu kumele akakhuzwa, wamrebuka, usebhala incwadi. Wabhala incwadi usufica i-suicide note. Awusanda sema nje kufanele sithethe, uma u-wrong kufanele sikwaccommodate nobu-wrong bakho. Bafowethu, we have to understand masifinyelele to a place yokuthi siyadinga ukucorrectwa. There is no one who is perfect. Wonke umuntu uyadinga ukuthi akhona. And his father rebuked him. Leli gama elithi rebuke akulona igama lelela Joseph ngiyacabanga lento oyishoyo awuyicabangi wathi Joseph uyabheda ayikho lento oyishoyo. Uyamdinga umuntu ozomtshela njengoba nje kunjalo. Akutshele angayisugarcoat into angayibeka kamnandi ayibeke kabuhlungu athi maseyibekile usuku ufuna ukuya ngasemnyango ungazi noma uhambe nophinde ubuye wathi uyadinga ukutshela. Uyadinga ukutshela, uyadinga to be rebuked. Uthi wrong. Singakunika explanation u-wrong. Singazama ukuyikhatha idatha u-wrong. Bengafanele uyenze nafanele kumbe ngiya-understand when i-wrong ngiyaxolisa phela. But inkinga when people are rebuked by justified. Uyabona bese i-justify. Futhi akekho vele wrong. Umuntu abe wrong. Rebuke uthi wrong. Aphenduke athi wena wrong uya-rebuke uthi wrong. That's a time and a place we live in. kodwa kuyamdinga umuntu ozobrebuka. Yazi indaba, you need to be rebuked. Ngicela ukusiza-ke, yabona nje bathi sijabule umhla ka-26 usuke uqalekisiwe uma uzoshada noma uzoshadelwa nomuntu ongenayo utamsabane. Ngoba mhlaza ubheke endlini umceba kubani. So if sinabantu abangarebukeki mhla waqala umceba kubani. Wonke umuntu udinga umuntu akwazi ukuthi uyamsaba uyamhlonipha. Athi lo beke wakhuluma noma ngabe ngizazi kangakanani but ngiyeza. We all need someone that will rebuke. Ungathokozi nje wena ukwazi ukuphila impilo ungekho umuntu okutshelayo cha, no. That's why ukhathe nje no phela kanjalo. We need those who will get makrati yamdinga nje uzoqondisa. Verse 10 ulinka no verse 11 uthi esemrebukile uJosepha ngokuthi uthe inyanga nelanga nezinkanyezi zizokhotha zoguqa. Kodwa ku verse 11 khona into eyiveza ukuthi noma esemrebukile kodwa iphupho lakhe waligcina enhlizweni yakhe. You need those who will believe in you. And in most cases laba bakholelwa kuwe yilabo abarebukayo. And uma ubalekela abarebukayo uzothola abantu abakholelwa kuwena bengakholelwa kuwena. Ngoba abantu abakholelwa kuwena kufanele bakutshele mawubheka. You need those who believe in you. I remember years back impilo nje sithole i-church hurt. Sithole i-church hurt sinema umfundisi eyinzima strong. But we had umkhulu Mqadi nogogo Mqadi who believed in us while we were hurt. Abakholelwa kithi thina into esasiyazi ukuthi inkosi ibekile kithi singasakholelwa kuyo, because you need someone who will believe in you. Okwazi ukubona into ingekho ishoyo kodwa ayibona ukuthi ikhona noma ingekho. We all need someone that will believe in you. So uyabona umuntu ozomtheka you can do it, you can make ubona ikhona into ayishoyo umuntu understand ukuthi uyibona kanjani kumina lento, but to someone who believe because they believed in me nami ngingabasa kodwa ngenkulunkulu wayikholelwa kimi, I was able to achieve lokhu uNkulunkulu ayibizele ukuthi ngikholelwe kukho. And it's interesting ukuba nebalance. Lithi noma ubaba wakhe ayigcina kuye lento kodwa abafowabo babe nomona. Ubalekile ukuthi you have someone who believes in you. Mekukhona inqwabe engakholelwa kuwe. Bawuhamba nje loyedwa ukholelwa kuwena, then you are done and you know which God is with you. Number 6, verses 15 and 17. Ubaba kaJosepha abafowabo baphumile bayolusa, athumele uJosepha athi hamba uyobahambisela ilunch. And lithi iBhayibheli uma efika eShekhem uJosepha he started wondering. Elokhe bacinga ngoba as you grow in life kunezikhathi la uzokudunyela nje khona. Uzathe uyabambisa bengahlangani, you just wonder and life doesn't make sense. Yabo ukuthi uyahlanganisa ungahlangani nje. Ukuthi uyenza izinto engenze that impilo leyo. Ufike la uquestion about le nto khona ikhona yini. Uquestion ukuthi yenze kahle yini usathana usalwa nami noma imini nenkinga noma uNkulunkulu ongangizwa. It's a place of wondering. Lithi uma efika in Shechem as he wondered he met a man. Le ndoda ayifika in Shechem lithi uma imiyambuza ukuthi ufunani, why are you wondering? Athi ngifuna abafowethu bese abasekho la bese then ebakhombisa in the direction abakuyona. You need those who will direct you. Yabadinga abantu abazokudirect. Isizulu sisho kahle sithi indlela ibuzwa kwabaphambili. Uyabadinga abantu abazokudirect ukuthi this is how you do things. Yikho ke kubalekile ukuthi noma usindisiwe uhambe elimu khurabashanda kubalekile uthole umuntu who will help you with finance. Kubalekile ukuthi uthole umuntu who will help you with your emotions. Abantu abazokudirecta kulama areas angafani noma ngikhona and I give you spiritual guidance and spiritual direction. Uyabadinga abantu abazokudirecta and advise you ngemali yakho. Ungabifika wena yonke imali uyayidla. You need someone who will direct you. Ngokuzobuya ukhalela inkosi uthi inkosi angazi kwenzakalani. Ithi inkosi mina nginikile into okuyidinga kodwa wena inkinga uvela uyidle yonke because you don't have someone who directs you in how to manage your money. So uyabadinga abazokudirecta, abazokutshela le usungangeni kulo mgodi, lo mgodi awuphandazele, lo mgodi uyabalekelwa. So musu waste isikhathi and pray, go the other direction, run. You need someone who will direct you. Kodwa ke thina siyazazi indlela siyazenzela, thina siyayiqalela. There's a young lady who's into drop shipping. Uthi, I think she's young, but she's in her 30s. Uthi, if kube banginika imali at the age of 19, esenginayo manje to run business, ngabe bangilimaza. The reason is because I was trying too many things and not wanting to be directed. Unami lokho ngifuna ukuyizamela, ngingafuni ukutshelwa. And ngoba ngingafuni ukutshelwa, ngenza amaphutha ongafanele ngikwenze. You need people who will direct you. Number 7, nansi futhi enye critical efana nale yokuthi udinga abantu abazokulalela, verse number 19. Akathe qamuka uJoseph kuthiwa here is the dreamer. They said to each other, why saqhamuka bambona? You need those who will see you. Uyabadinga abantu abazokubona, ababona wena. Uzizwe angiyazi ukuthi abantu, especially who struggle with mental health, umuntu othi I am alone, kodwa engekho alone. Umuntu othi ngiyakwazi ukuhlala nabantu kodwa bangibona. Ukuze baze baqaleka abantu kanjani, ngoba sinike yonke into okuyifuna nokuyifisa, kodwa kube khona into ukuthi noma benginika yonke into bengangiboni. They need to be seen. And this thing where our young people nafuna le talent lenkulu futhi ababhekene nayo yokuthi bathi asibaboni. And if abantu singababoni bazobona abantu abaronke. And bazobona abantu abangaboni bona ababonjina bangayithola kubona. We all have a need to be seen. And then uthi bathi bembona bathi here comes a dreamer, yena waba nephupho. But udinga abantu abazobona ukuthi noma ube ne-encounter yodwa yephupho kodwa wena umphuphi. Abantu abazobona ukuthi you are greater than where you are. You need those who will see you. Number 8, and then I'm almost done. Verse 21. Reuben heard this and tried to protect Joseph from them. Let not kill him, he said. You need those who will protect you. Yethiwe usubusisiwe umuzoba nabantu abazothatha igama lakho bayolifaka kumarumo ukuthi uye kuona. But abantu abakwazi njalo abantu abakwazi ukuprotecta legama lakho. Kunabantu abangabuzwa ngoba nje khona abakhuluma ngawe. And bakhuluma in the presence yabantu abakwaziyo, but they never protect your name. So siyabadinga abantu who will protect you. Abavikela abenza sure ukuthi integrity yakho ihlale ihlonishwa, ihlale respected. Abantu who will protect you. That's number 8. Number 9. Mina nabake badingayo. Mina kamhlaphe kakhulu angazi ngikweni beyisoni. Mina ngiyazi abazalwana bazona isoni mina. So number 9. Lithi Judah said to his brothers, what will we gain by killing our brother? We have to cover up the crime. You need those who will rescue you. Sebezomfaka emgodini, sebezombulala, wathi Judah yini esoyisusa. Ngamanye amazwi, he rescued him from death. Uyabadinga abantu abazokhenga ukubona ukuthi yabona imali sekubhedile izinto zakho nje uyabona wena sekuphelile, but abantu who are able to rescue you abakwazi ukuhlenga ngoba basuyifakile kwimess asakwazi ukuprotect usuyifakile. Sithi ukutakula-ke manje unabo yini abakutakulayo noma unalabo abathi akade sambone ukuthi ungcono kunathi ngoba vele uyakhola phela ukhuluma kakhulu la masipili sifikile bese beyakushiyana, but you need those who will rescue you. 2 more, then I'm done. Number 10, You need those who care about your well-being. Uyabona nje kuyabadinga abakudonsele eceleni. But no siyabona yabo siyabona wenza izinto kahle but indlela ophila ngayo iyayilimaza impilo yakho. Ukuthi siyabona hayi sendlale nawo 3 years. But isimo seweight mhlamba ke ucheck ukudleni kwakho. Ngoba uzogcina unenkinga. Those are people who care about your well-being. Ake ukhani ujoke nje kancane ugijima. Ungaphendule when I understand you have body shaming, I'm not body shaming you to die. Uzofa. Yehlisa. We need about who care about our well-being. Unye kwenze ngathi ngiyambuza ushukela omningi lapha endlini. Ngiyamdinga ngamfundise ehlisa phela. Who cares about my well-being? So siyabadinga abantu abanjalo, abanendaba nawe. Abanendaba nawe. And your well-being. Uthi cula phela kodwa thenga ne-ginger tea. Uthi iphimbo beli-right. Akuhlanganise lemon water and honey ozoba nayo. Athi abantu your well-being ngoba uzocula ngenye ilanga. Kusho umphimbo uthi wena kade ucula unginakekile. It's about your well-being. Your well-being. The last one, ama-liabilities, so abona ngenye ilanga. Eyokugcina. Ibukela ibuhlungu, but it's needed. Verse 28. So now we need to who care, it's verse 29. Those who care about your well-being. But verse 28, continuation. Uti. So when the Midianites merchants passed by, Joseph's brother pulled him out of the cistern and sold him to the Ishmaelites for 20 pieces of silver. The Ishmaelites took Joseph to Egypt. You need those who will transport you. Ubukele ngathi uyadayiseka bamthatha kubo bamyise eGibhithe kanti it's transport. La khona iphupho lakhe lizokwazi ukufezeka khona. Iphupho lakhe alikwazi ukufezeka ekhaya. Ubedinga transport ezomyisa la iphupho lakhe lizokwazi ukufezeka khona. Siyabadinga abantu abazositransporta. Ngiyazi siyesime labafowethu nami ngiyekime la Mshumayela. It is Themba uJesu. Sidinga connection, asidinga network, siyabadinga. No yabadinga. Kunemnyango qualified ukuthi ungene kuyona. But ungeke ungene kuyona ungenabo abantu abazotransport ukuthi ungena kulo mnyango. So lento ya people factor bafuna masisimoya sishaya yonke into ukuthi sisifuna. Angiphuka lonke ngisale no Jesu. Uzogo strong. Awucabanga ngesokungena lesonto esibuke sibhekele sikubingeleli. Uzoba ne depression ngathi uthe wena kuthatha konke usale no Jesu. You need people. And one thing about manage your relationship right. So listen to that. Kunemkhulu uzolithandaza, uNkulunkulu kade ayiphendula. Uthi wena wavele wabaphatha ubuhlungu abantu. Because mina njengathi akekho umuntu onawo uNkulunkulu wakuthumela abantu who stand with you. Inkinga abafananga nalento oyicabanga. But you have to discern. Respect people. Love people. Azi ukuthi uNkulunkulu uma ezokwenza into empilweni yakho uzosebenzisa abantu. And uma esebenzisa abantu kufanele ubazi uba treasure and pull them close. Now nansi ngisho James ngithe uNkulunkulu usebenzisa konke kube ngokuhle. uNkulunkulu uyakwazi ukusebenzisa ama-liabilities. And uma uyibona ukuthi ngathi liability le kodwa uNkulunkulu athi akuyona i-liability, asset ukuthi nje painful. uNkulunkulu Jesu is all knowing and all understanding. Kodwa udonsa uJudas Iscariot uzombeka eceleni kwakhe. Because he understood noma into azoyenza i-painful, it's needed for his purpose. So noma entshontsha la esikhwameni semali aphinde amdayise, kodwa uJudas was not a liability. He was an asset. Yokuthi uJesu akwazi ukufinyelela esiphambanweni. Discern. Ngoba ngeke bafike ngale ndlela oyilindele. Mucabanga asset, uzocabanga inkosi izobelile umuntu yonemali eningi, ozoletha zonke inkinga zakho zemali, kanti lozo ushintsho lwakho in your financial issues akanayo. But for some reason, they happen to know someone who can change your life. Kunenkosi, not inkosi, but a warrior in the Old Testament, ebizwa ngoNaaman. Twice a mighty warrior, but why not talk? Umele okho akekho umuntu oyekwazi ukumsiza, but kwakukhona isisebenzi eslave umuntu ongalalela. Owathi unkosikazi kaNaaman, ake mhlawumbe basi akayozama. There is a prophet in Israel. Wangambukela phansi, wayilalela i-servant. Kanti akazi ukuthi the servant is the asset for changing his life. Two cases, Naaman and the 4 lepers. Abantu abasinda from leprosy in the Old Testament. And omunye ingoba walalela an asset iyayingabonakala ukuthi asset. Let's respect people. Let's honor people. We have a deep abantu. Sibona mehlethu.